Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you, pretty sure March's GlossyBox. I think, I don't know, almost positive. I don't know how much it costs. Oh, that was loud. Hold on. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. There's information down below if you're interested. Ooh, okay. So this is what I see when I open it up. Did I say I put the price on the screen? I did. So you guys know how I feel about HelloFresh. This is an $80 gift card. I will pass it along. This is new, special introductory offer, $100 wine voucher. There is that. Here, you guys, I will not use this, so there's the code down there if you guys are interested. I will not use this. We are conserving, and wine or alcohol in general is not a necessity. Hold on. There we go. Let me try to straighten that out a little bit. There you go. So there's information on the back on how to claim it or whatever. There you go. All right. So GlossyBox is a box within a box. So we'll toss that box to the side. This is what the inside box looks like. I think that it's pretty. Was it a box last month? I don't remember. I honestly don't. Ooh. That's really pretty. I like the way they package it up. Okay, so I open it up and this is what I see. And does it come with a card telling me how much things cost? I don't remember. There is nothing on the back here that tells me how much stuff costs. I can guess though. I don't remember how much this, oh wait, is there a, nope, there's not. I thought there was a card on the bottom. There's not. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is a Sleek highlighting palette. Sleek is originally a UK brand. I know this because I did some research on it a while ago. I think that they've recently come into Ulta. I don't know about Sephora, but Sleek is a UK brand, and I own three or four of their eyeshadow palettes that I bought in Ireland, and they were around $12 each. So I can assume that this is $12 or under. I'm not going to open it. It doesn't really look like it would be my palette color as far as highlights, so I will pass that along. The next thing I am pulling out is Crybaby, when you deep conditioner, says repairing, but you're still broken on the inside. 5-in-1 deep conditioner. Okay. And this is, oh, okay. So they are two different deep conditioners. And this one is a 5-in-1 deep conditioner. And it says, sorry, I can't hear you over the volume of my hair. And then Crybaby. It's also a 5-in-1 conditioner. I don't know if they're any different. They have different smells, sweet and spicy, and crushed fruits. I mean, the way this says this, I would assume that this is for like damaged hair, but isn't all conditioner for damaged hair, so there's that. 2 conditioners, which is fine. I have no idea how much those cost, but they are just, I don't know. For me and my hair, I would say that that's maybe 2 to 4 uses. I mean, I would think 2 if I just kind of split it in half and use the top portion and then the bottom portion, but there might be 3 servings. 3 servings. You know what I mean in there. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Stamp and Drag. And it's Create Flawless Looking Wing Eyeliner with this double-ended stamp and liner duo by Ciate London. I have no idea how much something like this cost. I do have the tramp stamp. Did I really just say that? I have the vamp stamp. Haven't used it, but I know that that cost me around $15, $20. I can't get this out of the packaging. It's just not letting me take it out. Okay, well, I guess we're leaving that in there because it just really doesn't want to come out at all. I can't, I'm gonna have to like completely tear the box open. And I don't know if I wanna do that because I might pass that along. So I'm just gonna set it to the side right now. The next thing I am pulling out are tweezers, which are cool. I love tweezers. I love tweezers. I have quite a few tweezers. Ooh, but those are pretty. I like those. I will keep those. Can you guys see that? They're pink. They're really pretty. Pretty when it comes to tweezers. Oh, I'm a weirdo. Okay. And then the last thing I'm pulling out is a mascara, travel size by Ico. I know that the full size of these mascaras are $28 because I buy the full size because I like this mascara a lot. I haven't tried Black Magic yet. I have the original. That's the one that I really like. That's the one I keep buying. So I'm going to enjoy trying this. All right, you guys, that was GlossyBox. I mean, I think it was okay. I think this is a reasonably priced box. I just really can't remember right now. But I do think that the stuff that come in this box, I want to say it's under a $25 box. It'll be on the screen, of course, but it's definitely worth it if it's under $25. I don't think it's much more than that, though. I think it's actually under 20, but I'm not 100% sure because I don't have a memory. Anyway, that was GlossyBox. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope this video brought a little normalcy to your life, and have a great day. Bye.